Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 3, Quarter 4, Lesson 2, Day 4. Our topic for today is about Basic Division Facts up to 10. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to state basic division facts up to 10. Solve simple division problems using division facts up to 10. Divide and write the answer. 1. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 2. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. 3. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 4. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 5. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Today, we will learn about basic division facts up to 10. Let's answer orally. 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2. 4 times 5 equals 20. 3. 6 times 7 equals 42. 4. 3 times 8 equals 24. 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. If we put these counters into groups of 6, how many groups can we make? 6 times 4 equals 24. If 6 times 4 equals 24, we can make two division facts from it. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Problem. There are 63 pupils in grade 3. They will be equally distributed to the 7 mathematics and science teachers as their class advisors. How many pupils will be under the advisory of each teacher? Answer. There are 9 pupils. Solve on your paper. 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 2. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 3. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 4. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 5. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Let's read the problem. 1. Anna has 8 apples. She shares them equally with 4 friends. How many apples will each friend get? Answer. Each friend received 2 apples. 2. There are 10 balloons shared equally among 5 children. How many balloons does each child receive? Answer. Each child received 2 balloons. How can we give or state the division facts? Answer. We can give or state the division facts by knowing or giving the multiplication facts, then convert this into division facts. State the division fact. 1. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Directions: solve the problem. 1. There are 6 cookies shared equally among 3 children. How many cookies does each child get? Answer: each child received 2 cookies. 2. There are 8 apples shared equally among 4 children. How many apples does each child get? Answer: each child received 2 apples. 3. There are 10 candies shared equally among 5 children. How many candies does each child get? Answer: each child received 2 candies. Directions: write 5 division facts using numbers up to 10. Example answers: 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 5 equals 2.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!